Hello guys, welcome to Accra Travel Vlogs here on Educash Official. So today we started off the trip in part of the Cantonment here in Accra. The wall you see is Togo Embassy, okay, and the roundabout you see there is the Kufuado roundabout here at Cantonment, okay. The trip actually started close to the Morning Star School. Yes, so for those of you who knows Accra very well, we started off the trip around the Morning Star School area, okay. This trip is taking us through the Nape. This particular area that we have reached is the Jandel, okay. They are flower company, so most of the time when in Christmas time you see flowers and the lighting systems in Accra, the company that does it is Jandel. That is where they are. And the next building you see is the Nape National Entrepreneurship Program. Yes, that is where their office is, okay. That's where their office is. So Jandel, like I said earlier, when you see all of those lightning in Accra, especially in Christmas time, that is what they do, and they do a lot of flowering business, okay. So you can check out on them. So that's Jandel. So the trip is taking us through the areas of the American Embassy, okay, the American Embassy area. Then we pass through Assassi Radio, okay. Then we will head towards the Accra Free Zone Authority, and that is exactly where our trip will end. Accra Free Zone Authority and the Capitol, one of the popular restaurants here in Accra, Capitol. That is where the trip basically will end, okay. So keep watching. If today happens to be your first time, please like the video, kindly subscribe and share as well, okay. Subscribe, like and share. So here we come. The wall you see on your left basically is the American Embassy. The building inside is the American Embassy, okay. So the wall you see on your left from here to that point, or from where we started from to that point, this point is American Embassy stretch, okay. Yes, so that is what we have here. Yes, so on your left is American Embassy. So that is it for you, okay. Let's not forget we have China Embassy as well, okay. But then I'll show you the wall also. When you go straight from here, there's another junction on your left. When you branch that way, you are heading towards the China Embassy, okay. But we are branching on our immediate right from here, okay. So the white wall you see from here on your right is the China Embassy here in Accra, but the entrance is what I showed you earlier, okay. The entrance is what I showed you earlier. So on your right is the China Embassy. Then when you move straight backwards, on your left is the American Embassy. France Embassy is also within the vicinity, but we didn't drive through that side today. Next time we will take up a trip through that side too, okay. So please like, share, subscribe to the channel and keep in tune and hit the notification button so that when I upload a video you will know. So we are heading towards the Assassi Radio area. On your right, the signboard you see from here, on your right, the building you see on your right here is the Assassi Radio. This is it, the Assassi Radio, okay. So for those of you who don't know, when you hit American Embassy area and the China Embassy area, well, ask for Assassi Radio and everybody will show you where Assassi Radio basically is here in Accra, okay. And so that is it for you. So from here we are heading towards the very beautiful building right here. From here we are heading towards the almost the final destination area, which is the Ghana Free Zones Authority area, okay. So we are going to branch and join the main road from here. So the main road that we are joining from here is the road that is coming in from Labone, okay. Labone. That is the road that is coming in from Labone. So we are joining the main road from here. We turn on our left, okay? We turn on our left. Mind you, this same road that we have joined will take you through the bank hospital or NAFTI, okay? The bank hospital or NAFTI, okay? So this road that we've hit will take you through that stretch, okay? But then this is the building you see right here is the story building here is the Ghana Free Zones Authority. So I'm gonna get down. Then we do a little walking tour from here. Then we get to the capital area. The capital, the like I said, one of the popular restaurants here in Accra, especially here in Cantonment. It is very, very popular. Okay, so we are going to do a little bit of a walking tour to Capital. All right, so that is how the video is all about. So please do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share as I show you part of Accra as we drive around. All right, so thank you for watching. Keep watching the rest of the video. This is Educash Official. Bye for now.